Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Toyota Supra in Need for Speed Heat. To acquire this iconic car, you must progress through the game's main story. Focus on completing the narrative missions, as the Supra becomes available as a reward or through specific events tied to your story advancement. Keep an eye on your reputation level, as certain unlocks are gated behind reaching higher ranks. Once you've completed the Breaking the Law story mission, the Toyota Supra should become accessible. You'll also need to ensure your reputation level is at least 16 to participate in the necessary events that lead to its unlock. After meeting these requirements, head to the in-game dealership. The Supra will be listed there for purchase, ready for you to add to your garage and customize. After acquiring your Supra, focus on performance upgrades to dominate the streets. Start with engine enhancements to increase horsepower and torque, giving you a significant edge in races. Don't forget to fine-tune your suspension and tires for improved handling, especially during high-speed pursuits and tight corners. Personalize its appearance with body kits and paint to truly make it your own. Now that you've unlocked and customized your Toyota Supra, it's time to hit the streets of Palm City. Take on challenging races, evade the police, and build your reputation even further. This car is a true legend, offering incredible speed and handling for both street races and drift events. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.